Hey everyone, it's me Daniela, or you can call me Nalkasa, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I created my own version of the Flipaclip Animatics episode 5 in less than 24 hours. So first I did a raw storyboard in my sketchbook. This can be any idea you have based on the sound. So you want to scroll through the sound and listen to it and then make your storyboard. Once your storyboard is ready, you're going to note the backgrounds that are necessary for the animation, and then you can start making your backgrounds. For the background, I like to use IBS because I have default brushes that always feel good for sketching, and also the stabilizer tool makes my fingers not hurt when I'm trying to draw the background. But don't worry, you can use any other app to create the background as long as you feel comfortable with it and you like the end result. You can use Flipaclip Ultra or you can use IBS Ultra, but I like to use the IBS for the sketch, and then I import the sketch to Flipaclip and then start to design the background in Flipaclip. So here I am also picking out the colors in IBS because I like the color palette I have in IBS and I want to make sure that I stay true or somewhat close to that color palette. So the major reason that I am importing the background sketch and doing the main background in Flipaclip is because I wasn't really sure what some parts of the background, with the foreground, midground, or the background would be moving, and without need to make some adjustments. So I needed them to be done in Flipaclip so I could have the lineart and stuff and be able to tweak things without really changing the style of the animation. These are some things that I think you should consider when you're trying to make backgrounds, because it would really make your process easier or make it harder for you. But do whatever works for you. Once I'm done doing the background lineart in Flipaclip, it is then time to color the backgrounds in. But before you start coloring, you want to duplicate your lineart layer, and you're going to color on the layer beneath. So you have two lineart layers, say lineart 1 and lineart 2. You're going to color in lineart 2 because lineart 2 would be under lineart 1. So you're coloring, those tiny pixels, they don't show up in your animation. So now I'm designing the prop, and in this episode I only had one prop, which was that cart thingy that Kimochi was sitting on, and I ended up having to merge that layer with Kimochi's layer. So like when I want to animate Kimochi moving around the merry-go-round, a roller coaster, then I wouldn't have to put in much effort and stuff like that. Remember, you have to work smart, not hard. That is the key to finishing on time. It's finally time to animate. So while the animation speed paint goes on, I would like to talk about something. So the major reason I focused on getting my episode out early is because I feel like the earlier you get it out, the higher chances of your episode going viral is, because for episode 3 I think that video is still getting views up to date, and that was because I got it out early and it made it to Flipaclip's playlist, because I don't know, for some reason it made it there. So you're going to think about your priorities, if it is the views or if it is making quality animation, and that will all depend on your personality and your skills. Anyway, it's time to watch the final process. I hope you enjoyed this video, so bye!
Animatic